If you're looking for nature-themed jewellery, here's a collection you've got to see. UK new and popular 2017 Nature-themed jewellery collection for women. Number 1, Most Popular, by Pandora. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Pandora. Number 3, by Watsons. For more great options and ideas, click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Crystal Elegance UK. Number 5, by Pandora. Find these nature-themed jewellery at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by nomination. Number 7, by Pandora. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Alex Wu. Discover more nature-themed jewellery ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Jewellery Joya.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.